ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sorkar jela Konrad Kongkel sang maha kesan terik ubenai naiwing arajar arpuai uli itu bagi Sorkar jela kala pelai Pisa Haduh sispa arpu sau Klur tingka hapo ki license tam sya ki self help group nega benta ban kenteu ye ka yo ka kot jong ki kinhon ye trailang ki longkeme ki badan hagi snong ba pher jong ka jela. Yakani Menteri Rangba ula pensngau ka jingelang jong ka self-help group mega camp but help camp bala penlong de ka block mission management unit jong ka Thalas kain CNRD block West Dentia Hills district ka balong ru shibenta ka jing lekmen ye ka jing dap san postnem ka jella Meghalaya. Hagani ka sngi Menteri Rangba harengkat lang baru MLA jong ka Joai uba wailat miki shilla kila sam ya ka ram ka ba prapu arlak tingka shaki prapu artli ki self-help group ya ki bala pelaj de ka Meghalaya Rural Bank ka balong ka bank ka ba ye trailang rengkat bat ka Sorkar jilla haga ba ye day bat ka jing pentrai kam ya ka National Rural Livelihood Mission hapo ka jilla. Nalor kata la aitiru ya ke Community Investment Fund sya ki khatway tili ki village organization jong ki shispa khat lai tili ki self-help group kabala kenjo Haduh sanpohun reo point san lak tingka bat la airu ye ka vulnerability reduction fund kaba khat san lak tingka sya ki khat san tili ki village organization.
And these self-help groups are being mobilized in a very institutional manner. That means, every one woman from every household will be a member of this house SHG, and these SHGs at the village level, they are federated as a village organization, and the village organizations are again federated at a cluster level as a cluster level federation. So through this particular institutional framework, we are aiming to address poverty reduction. We are aiming to address various community development goals. So this is in this program today we have in this particular block we have around 1200 SHGs are there, and I can see a large participation, and we have about over close to 90 village organizations are there. That means in every village, almost in every village we have village organization, and from every village organization they have come here to participate. And then we also have some cluster level federations also. We all have to understand how actually important is that to bring everyone into the self-help groups. So today all of you have come here from different villages. We have asked you, all the village organizations have been asked to identify, are there any poor people within the village? Haduh, are there any poor within the village? You should organize them into the self-help groups.
Ko daw ye pichna the group ko khasan hapo ar phamut uchna bi the group mana de pichna ye pi de bo hi jar ki benta gu ye pi u form di group yang pi the Sorkar e rap ko pi kamwa san hajar we beneficiaries temon la san hajar we temon ar phamut MPT multiply san hajar yo tai ar phawแต่มันในกรุ๊ปลังพีเยพีอุเทศเยพีวันกับกามกว่าพิวเล่กว่าพิวอูปนกู้ยังกติกากามกว่าพีเอ็มจึงหมดพีพาวลักทั้งกาลังบายองกับกรันบัดกำโจเล่พาพาวลักลังบายองกับโลนมันตู้กับสิ่งนี้กับโปรแกรมก็ดาวย่อยรับชะโดกำว่าอาโดอาร์ฮัจาร์หมดที่บรูก็ดาวย่อยรับลังบายองกินีแต่กำมันกับเต็มไปเอ็มกุดดังไล่ชุดขมัดงาเอกจริงรอกุโครยากิดีพาร์ตเมนต์ยากิจริงเกรชตมเกียวปีจัดพีละโยไวพีกับดิฟเฟรนซ์และนี่กิจริงแพร์ถ้ากิปอร์กิมันชวากิปอร์กิกัดนี่ดัดนี่มีกิปอร์ดมันพิจิตรกิเมล่าจิตรทับบล็อกอุไลไปแล้วกันนี่เด็กขันเนี่ยในบ้านบุญก็รับกิโปรแกรมทำอะไรไปให้โดนเมกัสนี่หากิเลสเนมชิตติกิจริงได้ลุตีyangกันนี่กับSorkarหาโดนนี่ดับเบิลไลท์ก็คำว่าหาโดชิสปะอาร์พาวโซกรูapa isa cha ki nyau hajar tli ki SHG hapo ka state yawi hey joy por le nyau phau kror lamba yang galon poda plai kani ka Sorkar MDA gyok I hagini les nem.
Friends, we are here today for two purposes and two programs. One is a program under the National Rural Livelihood Mission, which is to produce and form self-help groups of women and to be able to give them financial support so that they can create livelihood. That is the first program. And the second program is one of the biggest farmer welfare programs that any state government in the Northeast, I would say, has taken up, and definitely the biggest in Meghalaya, which is the program of Focus, where producer groups are being given 5,000 rupees per member in the group. And today, 46 groups will be receiving financial benefit for that. But I can assure you that we will be doing it differently. And the reason I say that is because there have been many programs that the government of India and government of Meghalaya have come out with. And this is what the MDA government has achieved and been able to ensure that the same schemes which are there, the same schemes which have been there for many, many years, we have ensured that the efficiency level has gone up and lakhs of people have been benefited with the same scheme, but just simply ensuring that the overall delivery and governance and overall efficiency has gone up. And I must thank and congratulate the entire team of CNRD, of MRSLS, who have actually made this possible. We can come and give a mandate, we can come and give a vision, we can come and give a goal, we can tell them that this is what we want in these many days. But if a team does not work, my words are meaningless. And it gives me great satisfaction to really see that we have achieved this milestone. I hope that this year we are targeting close to 70 crores to be distributed to different self-help groups. I'm sure we will be able to achieve it. And I would encourage all of you to encourage other members of your community and of your society, especially the women folk, to come forward and give this good news that this government is doing for you. Give the news to them that this MDA government would like our self-help group to be formed. We would want economic empowerment for our women. We would want economic empowerment for our farmers. We would want to see that the 4.5 lakh families who are dependent on farming must move forward and go beyond what their capacity is. And the government here today, this MDA government here, is there to help you achieve that.